If you want to make working in Microsoft Word a lot easier, one simple feature you should know about is split view. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable split in Word so you can view two parts of the same document at the same time. This is super helpful when you're comparing sections, checking formatting, or editing one part of a long document while referencing another part. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Word tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, go up to the top menu and click on the View tab. The View tab is where Microsoft Word keeps different screen and layout options, including tools for reading, zooming, and arranging your document. After you click View, look for the Split option in the ribbon. It should be available in the Window or Arrange section, depending on your version of Word. Now click Split. As soon as you do that, Word will divide your document into two separate panes, allowing you to scroll through each section independently. This makes it much easier to compare content, work on one part of the document while keeping another part visible, or simply navigate a long file without losing your place. If you ever want to remove the split and go back to a single view, just return to the View tab and click Split again, or drag the split bar back up to close it depending on your version, and that's all there is to it. You now know how to enable split in Word in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple Word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.